Okay, Sparky, are you ready to give it a try? Are you ready to give it a try, honey? Yeah, we're just going to give it a little try, see what happens. Okay, can you step down on there? Come on, honey. You can do it. Okay, then just eat it here. Okay, eat it up there. That'll work. Are you eating yet? Awesome. Oh, you haven't eaten that one yet. Well, eat it on my hand then. You pooped on me. You did all sorts of rude things. That's the way. Okay, can you step down right here? Good girl. Here, Sparky. Oops, goodbye. Come on over here into the camera. There you go. Good girl. Here. There you go. Let's just try to... Okay. See you later. You know... Ugh. I don't think the camera can see you, sweetie. No. I don't think it can. So I guess we'll tell everybody that you're just standing on the edge, eating your almond. Yeah. You're doing a fine job. You're being kind of calm. Yeah. I know. You need to get out of the way. Okay, Sparky, come on over here for this piece. Here, Sparky. Okay, peepers, you have to go away. Ready? Go. Ooh, come here, baby. Good girl. Okay. That's it. Good job, Sparky. Sparky fur. Okay, honey. Did you want an almond? Sparky. There you go. You don't want an almond now? Now you want to think about these things? Okay, well let me see if I can do this with you. Here's Sparky. You can stay there, but you can't bother her. Here, Sparky, can you do this? There you go. You don't see it. Okay, you need to get off. Yeah, you need to go away. Okay, it looks like Sparky's just going to explore the area a little bit. So I guess we'll turn off the thing and let her do it. Who snotted on the thing? Oh well. Okay then, that's a much better session, Sparky.